Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your profile picture on InDrive. Let's get started. First, open the InDrive app on your phone. Now, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. From here, tap on your profile or account section at the top. Next, look at your current profile picture in the top right corner. You'll see a small edit icon, like a pencil or refresh symbol. Tap on that icon. Now, you'll get the option to open your camera or choose a photo from your gallery. If you want to take a new photo, tap on Camera, or tap on Gallery to select an existing picture. Once you choose your image, adjust and position it the way you like. Then, tap on the Crop or Confirm button. Finally, tap on Submit to save your new profile picture. And that's it. Your InDrive profile picture has been updated. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.